Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we are going to start the rest part of adverb. Dear students, in my previous video we have discussed about the kinds of adverb. We have discussed that adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, interrogative adverb, frequency, etc. in my previous video. Today we are going to start about the position of adverb, about the use of adverb, just like adverb of manner, place, time, etc. So dear students, we are going to start. Let's take care. Use of adverbs. Adverbs are used as a manner, place, time, frequency, degree, interrogative in a sentence, etc. Just like she went there. There is a place. It has been used in this sentence as an adverb of place. It is too hot to go out. To is a degree, adverb of degree. It is too hot to go out. She takes tea twice a day. Frequency. Twice is a frequency. Shows the frequency. How many times? 2 times. She takes tea twice a day. Twice is a frequency. Adverb of frequency. Now fourth is where does she live? Where is an interrogative adverb? What interrogative adverb? So we have understood about the use of adverb. Just like adverb are used as a manner, place, time, frequency, degree, interrogative, sentence, etc. in हिंदी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने पिछले वीडियो में एडवर्ब के काइंड्स पढ़े थे, एडवर्ब की डिफाइन पढ़ी थी. अब हम पढ़ रहे हैं एडवर्ब का यूज, पोजीशन, एक्सेट्रा. पहले हमने पढ़ा एडवर्ब का यूज, तो हमें पता है एक सेंटेंस में एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, एडवर्ब इंटरोगेटिव एडवर्ब, इनमें से किसी भी तरीके से यूज हो सकती है. जैसे सी वेंट देयर, देयर इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. इट इज टू हॉट टू गो आउट, टू इज ए एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. She takes tea twice a day. Twice is as a adverb of frequency. Where does she live? Does is as an interrogative adverb. Same word used as an adjective or an adverb. Means there are same words which are used in a sentence as an adjective and as an adverb. Just like this is direct bus to Jaipur. So the word direct is as an adjective in the sentence. This train goes to Jaipur direct. So in the second sentence, the word direct is as an adverb. Just like this is direct bus to Jaipur. This direct word is as an adjective in a sentence. This train goes to Jaipur direct. It is an adverb in the sentence. I don't have enough food. Enough is as an adjective in the sentence, and this room is big enough for us. This enough word is as an adverb in the sentence. So we can use a word as an adverb in the sentence, as an adjective in the same sentence. So dear students, thus we have understood about this in Hindi. Dear students, as you know that we can use this as an adjective or as an adverb. क्या कहता है हिंदी में? कहता है कि किसी एक वर्ड को हम सेंटेंस में एज एन एडवर्ब भी यूज कर सकते हैं, एज एन एडजेक्टिव भी यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे दिस इज डायरेक्ट बस टू जयपुर, तो डायरेक्ट वर्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव है और इस वर्ड में डायरेक्ट एज एन एडवर्ब है. दिस ट्रेन गोज टू जयपुर डायरेक्ट. I don't have enough food. इस सेंटेंस में enough वर्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव है जो बताता है कितना खाना खाया, पर्याप्त. दिस रूम इज बिग इनफ. बिग इनफ यानी पर्याप्त, बड़ा है हमारे लिए. तो दिस वर्ड इनफ किस वर्ड में यूज हुआ? एज एन एडवर्ब. पोजीशन ऑफ एडवर्ब. Now we are going to study about the position of adverb. First of all, we talk about adverb of manner. Adverb of manner is used after the verb. Is used after the verb. Just like runs is a verb and slowly is adverb of manner. So it has been used just after the verb. Mohan runs slowly. Mohan runs fast, etc. Second, it is a if object is long, If object is long, adverb is used before verb. If object is long, then adverb is used before. If adverb, if object is long, adverb is used before verb, and if there is preposition before object, then adverb is used either after the object or before the preposition. Just like, I wish for your success sincerely. What is this? Sincerely is as an adverb of manner. It has been used at the end of sentence. I totally depend on my parents to get school and college education. Totally is adverb of manner, and object is long, so it has been used before before verb. Dear students, हम पोजीशन ऑफ एडवर्ब पढ़ रहे हैं. अब हम पहले पढ़ रहे हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. सबसे पहले वर्ब के बाद यूज होती है, जैसे रन्स वर्ब है, स्लोली इसके बाद यूज हुआ. दूसरा ये कहता है यदि ऑब्जेक्ट लंबा हो, जैसे का आई टोटली डिपेंड ऑन माई पेरेंट्स टू गेट स्कूल एंड कॉलेज एजुकेशन. अगर आपका ऑब्जेक्ट लंबा हो तो एडवर्ब का यूज वर्ब से पहले किया जाता है. जैसे डिपेंड एक वर्ब है, उससे पहले क्या यूज कर दिया, टोटली. थर्ड कहता है यदि प्रीपोजिशनल हो, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले प्रीपोजिशन हो, ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले क्या हो, प्रीपोजिशन हो, तो आपको इसका यूज या तो आप ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले कर लो, या प्रीपोजिशन से, या तो ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद कर लो, या प्रीपोजिशन से पहले इसका यूज कर लो. तो हमने सक्सेस के बाद सिंसियरली एज एन आफ्टर द ऑब्जेक्ट यूज किया है. थर्ड इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. व्हाट? एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. It is used after the verb. We can start a sentence with prepositional phrases showing time. Adverb of place is used after the verb, just like in first sentence after the verb, and we can start sentence prepositional phrases showing time, just like on Sunday. What on? It is an adverb of place. Adverb of place. On Sunday roads can be seen without much traffic. We have used as an adverb of place. Now, adverb of time. It can be used at the beginning or at end of sentence. Just adverb of time. I'm ill today. At last. Today I'm going. Today I'm busy. Before the sentence means at the beginning of sentence we have used adverb of time, and the end of sentence it has been used adverb of time. After that, some adverb are used at the end of sentence as early, last, before, yet, immediately, etc. She arrived early. We have used at the end of sentence, just like early, last, before, yet, immediately, etc. And still is placed after the verb be. Still is placed after the verb be. Is MR was were. We have used still after the verb be. And in some sentences before other verbs. So dear students, I hope you have understood. अब हम बात करते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. प्लेस का कि ये का इसका यूज सबसे पहले ही कर सकते हैं. ऑन संडे रोड्स कैन बी सीन विदाउट मच ट्रैफिक. यानी का संडे को हम सड़कें हैं बिना ज्यादा ट्रैफिक के देखी जा सकती है. सड़कें हैं संडे को बिना ज्यादा ट्रैफिक के देखी जा सकती है. तो एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस यूज हुआ मत. और फिर का एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. इसका यूज सबसे पहले या सेंटेंस के लास्ट में कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने यहाँ सबसे पहले कर लिया, टुडे आई एम बिजी. सॉरी, यहाँ लास्ट में किया है. सॉरी, यहाँ टुडे लास्ट में यूज किया. और कई बार क्या होता है, कुछ वर्ब होती है जैसे आपके बिफोर, अर्ली है, लास्ट है, बिफोर है, यट है, इमीडिएटली. इनका यूज सेंटेंस के लास्ट में करते हैं. जैसे सी अराइव्ड अर्ली. एंड कुछ में ये कहा कि स्टिल वर्ब है, या तो आपके बी वर्ब इज एम आर वॉज वर होती है, उसके बाद यूज होती है. और कुछ सेंटेंसेस में क्या होती है, वर्ब से पहले यूज होती है. Thus, dear friends, We have studied in this video about the use of adverb, some verb used as an adjective or adverb in the same sentence, and position of adverb, and at last we have studied about the in position of adverb as adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Rest part of this chapter we will discuss in my next video. Thank you very much.